Hey guys, LEISUDA went ahead and they sent me a couple of batteries from Amazon. You can pick these up. These are replacement batteries that are affordable for your factory drills. This particular one is for Ryobi. I do know that they have batteries for all different makes, but Ryobi is what I use. So batteries are not cheap. They're actually very expensive. They're just as much as the tool. But an affordable aftermarket option is definitely the way to go for affordable batteries. You can pick up a couple of these for the same price as one of these, and overall these are going to last you longer. This is a good quality battery. It has worked great. It's got a nice power gauge on there so you can see exactly where the charge is at. What more can you ask for a replacement battery? Plenty of strength. This battery's right out of the box. I haven't charged it yet. Let's check it out. I took that lug nut off like nothing. So I definitely recommend picking up these batteries. They are well worth the price. Very, very good alternative to the factory expensive replacement. Pick these up, very affordable. Click on the link below, grab some today. Thanks guys.